Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I have another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to have ChatGPT alongside Google. For example, if I search who was the first explorer to sail around the world, as you can see, it waits for ChatGPT's response and I get ChatGPT's response on the side of Google Chrome. If you want to know how to do this, make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end, and I have a special surprise. If you open a new tab and go to Chrome Web Store, open Chrome Web Store and search for ChatGPT Google and scroll down and you should see ChatGPT for Google. I already have it installed, but go ahead and install it and you should have this really useful feature. I could search anything, even coding videos, like coding questions, like how to code website. No, write a Python random number generator. As you can see, this is what Google outputs, and over here we have ChatGPT's response. It even prints out a code. It even gives us out an explanation. So that's all for today's video, and for the special surprise is this GitHub website / page. This is a link with a bunch of useful ChatGPT features and unofficial ChatGPT features, like access the pop-up on any page for ChatGPT, and it can also there's also a hand-free voice assistant from ChatGPT, and it can even work in Google Docs. So make sure you check the description below, and I'm gonna put the two links for the Chrome extension and this awesome ChatGPT, I'll say. But thanks for watching and have a good one.